Leads, when you dance, lane navigation. If you choose to dance this way, meaning you have this view, don't be switching views, don't be switching views, don't be switching views. It's either two views, this way, not multiple. Salsa is not linear, right? I mean, salsa is not circular.
I was like, salsa.
Thank you for making that face. Salsa is not circular. Just making sure you're paying attention.
Okay, I was.
Okay, so when we do our basic, lane navigation, you do basic, 2, 3, 5. To prepare, I have to get to my right lane. 1, 2, 3 to do the turn. 5, outside turn, 1.5. I do my basic, 1, get out of the way by 3, going back, diagonal back, bringing the follow to my right shoulder. 5, 6, and letting the follow pass. This time, yes? If I do it from this side, basic, 1, 2, 3. I use crossbody lead to do outside turn. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Leads from here, you can decide to do a basic or just go right away. Get out of the way by 3, 5, let go, 7, and basic 1. So at least always getting out of the way, coming back to the middle, get out of the way, coming back to the middle. That's where you're always playing. Chain lane navigation. For the second one. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do the outside turn into a hammerlock. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From the hammerlock, I'm going to do a copa. 1, 2, 3. Some of the leads, when you're doing this turn, are doing this, going back. Nope. You should do your basic, bring the follow forward. 5, 6, 7. Here I'm stopping the follow with my right hand, my left hand. You don't have to do that. Just make sure you make contact right here with the wrist, the forearm, on the waist. Then we bring the follow back on 1, 2, 3, ask. Then cuddle up, 5, 7, check. 1, 2, 3, 2 steps and open. 6, open. Yes? Then I'm gonna do mariposa. Again, the way I'm doing it right now, I'm guiding this hand all the way through for this class. Okay? Because some of us are new to this move. When we do social dancing, depending on who you're dancing with, you don't have to guide the hand. We can just do this. The follow does it on their own. Here I'm guiding because I know most of the time, most of the follows are not going to do this. That's why I'm telling you guys to do it. So for mariposa, 1, that's why I do it. 3, 5, 6, 7. I can go into close, open position, or close position, or 180. 5, 6, 7. So I'm gonna do it from this side. 1, 2, 3, 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. I messed up. 5, 6, 7. I do it here. 1, 3, hammerlock. 5, 7, 3, 4, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Check. 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 6, 7, 2, 1, 2, 5. Yes. Awesome, guys. Good job.